back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy Camaro. This is a fast machine here at Skyway Classics, featuring a Cortez silver exterior paint job. As you can see, we have the 2-inch cowl induction hood, black Riddler aftermarket style wheels, and of course you have the front bumblebee stripe. Now I do remember, I believe is the D91 versus the D90 stripe that comes down the sides. But let's go on to the interior. As you can see, it has been customized. You have the 6-speed manual transmission. Other than that, you have a upgraded digital dash there. I'd say a late 90s steering wheel, 3-spoke. You also have the aftermarket 2-knob radio. They also tinted the windows in here to make it a little more of a street rod. And also you can see as we have the vents for the vintage air. Blowing nice and cool underneath. In fact, yeah, it's blowing pretty cool right now as we speak for it. There's nobody in our way, so let's open it up a little bit. Underneath the hood, we have a nice 427 big block, very mean machine. And of course, I'm only in 3rd gear and I'm already crapping my pants. But this is obviously a nice car here. Definitely safe too. As you can see, we have the upgraded bucket seats and the shoulder belts. So yeah, if you're looking for a car with power, this is the one for you. But as for now, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.